Can we be honest for a minute? As Nigerian women, we've been raised to believe that suffering somehow earns us more respect. That if you're not always stressing or sacrificing something, you're lazy. But what if I told you that this mindset is not only outdated, it is actually very dangerous? Soft life is not even luxury. It's more like surviving with intention. And in this video, we are going to redefine it together. Hi, I'm Grace and I create feminine content and food content. Today, we are diving deep into the term soft life and what it really means. Why do so many women struggle with it? And how can we start living it no matter our income, our location, or even our lifestyle? And mind you, this isn't about aesthetics. It's about you being very intentional about yourself, your healing, your boundaries, every single day. Let's start by asking, what exactly is soft life? Look, soft life is not about doing nothing or being taken care of 24/7. It's about being intentional. It's about building a lifestyle that protects your mental health, your energy, and your emotions. It means choosing alignment over struggle, saying no when something doesn't feel right, and knowing that rest is your birthright. It is not a reward. Soft life is healthy boundaries, emotional regulation, very important. Peace. Oh, I can't emphasize this enough. Peace over pressure. And it's not laziness, it's not luxury obsession, and it's totally not avoiding responsibility. Soft life can look like a woman with a full-time job. I mean, like a 9 to 5, but she still protects her rest time, nourishes her body, and knows when to unplug. But the big question is, why do so many women, especially Nigerian women, struggle with this soft life? It's because we're raised in survival mode. We saw our mothers overfunction, overwork, but they never complain. So we grow up believing, oh, maybe you must suffer before you enjoy. Don't be too soft, or people are going to walk over you. Babe, these are all myths, and they have been keeping women stuck in burnout. But I want to remind you today, you don't have to earn rest. It is your birthright. You don't have to prove that you are a strong woman and keep suffering silently. There are practical ways to live a soft life. Example, you can start journaling. Yes, as simple as that sound. Soft life for you could mean taking out 5 minutes a day to journal about your day. You can use a prompt like, what would my life look like if I stopped performing for other people and actually started living? You can use your notes app, or you can buy a journal from the store. You can also use your WhatsApp. Just journal or reflect. Number two, soft life can look like self-care. When I say self-care, it doesn't mean buying expensive skincare that you see recommended on the internet. Start with the basics. It could be just buying the moisturizer, a serum, or a sunscreen. It really doesn't have to be complicated, baby girl. You can go on solo dates like picnics or just casually taking a walk. Eating healthy. I hear this thing that eating healthy is expensive. Babe, go to YouTube and search 600-pound life and come back and tell me if eating healthy is still expensive. What you put into your body is as important. No, it's more important than what you actually put on your body. How you look physically reflects the level of intention you take to take care of yourself. Number three, boundaries. You can start with simple boundaries like, oh, I'm not available this weekend, or I cannot handle that at the moment. It's something like muting those group chats that are so noisy. It's more like turning off your phone or putting it on do not disturb, putting off your data at 9 p.m. That's soft life too. It's that simple. Number four, soft life can look like what you wear. Wear something that makes you feel grounded, feminine, like flowing dresses, matching sets to give you this comfortable elegance. Brands like I Wear JMP are perfect for this. Number five, digital diet. This means unfollowing accounts that drain your energy. Replace scrolling with rituals like reading a book, learning a new language, make a homemade tea, listen to mindful music, and then minding the peace that you deserve. In a nutshell, what does soft life really look like? Mine looks like this in a day. I wake up in the morning and I stretch because I go to the gym. So I know some yoga stretches that I do in the morning. I do my morning prayers or gratitude or affirmation. I eat something nourishing. I check my messages only when I have the emotional capacity or at my earliest convenience. I step out, I breathe, I say no at least once in a day, and then I walk out in the evenings to keep my body in shape and my mind sharp. That's it. It's not about luxury spa day, it's not like having a private chef, just choices that make me feel good and at peace. So, sis, if you've been stuck in survival mode, it's not your fault. But healing, choosing softness, that's your responsibility now. And you can start small, like journaling every morning for the next 7 days. Pick one self care ritual and stick to it for the next 30 days. Share this also with a friend who always thinks she needs permission to rest. Comment below what's your favorite soft life ritual or one you're starting today. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe because we are building a community of women who are done with hustling and choosing softness. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.